Hey everyone, this is a video on the coin toss exploit. So over here we have Master Duel in the background. We have the clock app on Windows. I've set it to a countdown of 30 seconds. You will see why I did that in a minute. Then on the right we have the JMaster Duel bot application. And the first thing we will do is click on Duel, enter any PvP duel, for example the Duelist Cup. Then you also want to navigate to the Cheats tab in JMaster Duel bot, enable the coin toss exploit, and then when it's enabled, you will search for a duel. What will happen is once you found a duel, the game will pause right at the coin toss right now. And what we will do is we will start the countdown over here and we will wait for 30 seconds to pass. We will focus the game again. As you can see, the game is now frozen. The reason we do that is because when we don't get first, we can freeze the game and let the countdown pass, and then we can skip the match and not have it count as a loss. We don't have to play any going second games. In this case, we would go first, but I don't choose to go first because I'm trying to demonstrate the video. So now the timer is done. In the JMaster Duel bot, we can now click on resume a few times. Then the game will resume and it will say there was no response from the game server. Okay, you check the match history and it will not show as a duel, right? So next you can click on duel again, but it will tell you a game server error has occurred. You cannot search for a match anymore at this point. So you have to exit out. And in the JMaster Duel bot, you will click on Simulate Solo Duel. This is a new function which will quickly simulate a solo duel. After waiting a few seconds, it will say the solo duel has been simulated successfully. You have to do this, otherwise you will be awarded a loss if you don't do it. So you will go to the sub-menu and you will go back to title screen. You will log into the game and then you go to PvP again. And you will notice that you didn't get any duel entry in your match history. You can always repeat this process every time you would go second, and you can always skip all the going second games. So just to demonstrate, we will go to Duel, Duelist Cup, and we will check the match history, and you will see the last one was versus Bai. So it worked, and we can just do it again. We search for a match. So after rebooting to the title screen, you're able to search for matches again if you do this. So now coin flip happens. The game automatically freezes. We can run the countdown again of 30 seconds. So this time I will skip ahead in the video so you don't have to wait for 30 seconds. Okay, the time is up. We can get the game back and click on resume game. There will be a server response error yet again. We will repeat the process. We will simulate solo duel. Then we go to the sub-menu after this is complete. And we will go back to the title screen. Okay, we log back into the game. We check our match history and notice that nothing has been added. Now hopefully we will catch a going second game so I can demonstrate it. I'm not sure if people realize that this exploit is still not fully fixed, so I'm able to exploit it this way. So Bai is still the last one, as you can see, and we can go ahead and search for another duel. We've already invalidated 2 duels based on the coin toss. Right now we see that we are going second, right? We might go second. The opponent is choosing whether to go first or second. Since we lost the coin toss, we want to time out the duel and then we can invalidate the whole duel so we don't get a loss. This might be useful in the Duelist Cup, first stage, especially second stage, I guess. So we will be waiting for this to time out. Now the time is up. We can reset the countdown back to 30 seconds. Go to the game and the Master Duel bot, resume. There was no response from the game server. So now you go back, repeat the process, simulate solo duel, return to the title screen. Okay, so we invalidated 3 duels at the coin toss and we didn't get a single loss. You can always do this if you go second or if you go first, depending on the deck you play. You can only play the matches where you go first or second, depending on what you prefer to be. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. If you want to perform this, you can download the JMaster Duel bot in the description of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys next time. So there you go.